Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix your missing photos or videos on iPhone. Well, there are quite some few processes that you can try, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing is to simply just open your Photos application, and in here you can see these are your current photos that is available on your phone. And when you swipe down here, you can see there is the option of recent days. Tap on it. And in here, you can see these are your recently added photos or videos on your phone. So hopefully you can find your photos in here, because sometimes you can only see specific photos in this album. So if you do find it, it's good. But if you still don't find it here, you can go back, and in here you can see there are also various other options. When you swipe down here, you can see there is the option of your pinned collection. So in here you can tap on your favorites and check whether it is on your favorites or not. If you still can't find it in here, you can go back, and in here you can see there are various options like map, videos, or screenshot, and hopefully you'll find in there. So if you still don't find here, you can scroll down and search if it's on your memories. So you can tap on memories, and in here you can check whether it is here or not. So if you still can't find it, you can again go back and again scroll down and try to search if you can find it on your featured photos or anything somewhere here. If you still can't find it anywhere here, you can again scroll down, and in here you can see there is the option of recently deleted. Under the utilities option, you can tap on recently deleted. And in here, there will be the requirement of your Face ID or your Touch ID. So simply just unlock your phone with your Face ID or Touch ID. Then you will be able to view your recently deleted in here. And try to search if you have mistakenly deleted your photos in here or not. If you still can't find it, you can again go back. And in here, you can see there are also the option of duplicates. So you can tap on these and check. There's also the option of hidden. So you can try to check on these album if it is available or not. But if you still can't find it, the next thing that you can do is simply just stop your sync on your iCloud, for which you can go back and go to your settings. And in your settings, you have to tap on your account. And in here, you can see there is the option of iCloud. You can simply just tap on iCloud. And in here, you can see there is the option of photos. Right here, you'll have to tap on photos. And just like this, here you can see the sync this phone is turned on right now. You'll have to tap on this toggle button like this and turn off this sync this photos. So after doing so, here you can see there is a pop-up saying stop updating and turn off. You'll have to tap on this one. And just like this, you have stopped the syncing of your iCloud photos, and it won't be uploaded to your iCloud and be directly downloaded to your phone storage. So you can go back and again go to your photos and check whether there is your photos that you were looking for. And yeah, that is it. These were some ways that you can try to find your missing photos or videos on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.